ফ্রেন্ডস, হ্যালো অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম টু ক্যালকলিং খাই খাই ক্লাব। আজকে এই পুতুলগুলো দেখে কি কোনো আইডিয়া আসছে মাথায়? ঠিক ধরেছেন, আমরা আজকে যে স্পেশাল ডিশ বানাতে চলেছি তা কিন্তু রাজস্থানের। এই কালারফুল পুতুলগুলো দেখে নিশ্চয়ই সেটা এতক্ষণে আপনারা আন্দাজ পেয়েই গেছেন। আজকে আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন প্রদীপ রোজারি। হাউ আর ইউ?
I'm very fine.
থ্যাংক ইউ।
And,
আজকে আমরা তো একটা রাজস্থানি ডিশ খাবো,
রাজস্থানি-
যে সমস্ত মশলাগুলো রয়েছে বেশ কালারফুল, দেখেই ভীষণ লোভ লাগছে এখন থেকেই।
very
তো
Rajasthani,
কি বানাতে চলেছে?
very Rajasthani popular dish. নাম শুনলে বুঝতে পারবেন, if you hear the name you can come to know how special it is for the Rajasthani people. It is called lal mas. It's red meat dish. And red meat means because it is the gravy will be red when you make the meat is নাম শুনলে বুঝতে পারবেন, if you hear the name you can come to know how special it is for the Rajasthani people. It is called lal mas. It's red meat dish. And red meat means because it is the gravy will be red when you make the meat is a meat. You can take it lamb or mutton or chicken, whatever it is, and it will be very hot and spicy. Even you won't believe in this summer, in this weather, they prefer this lal mas.
রাজস্থান এমনিতেই ভীষণ হট ওয়েদার,
Very hot, very hot, very hot.
হট ওয়েদার, তো
Very
তার
hot.
মধ্যে এরকম স্পাইসি রান্নাও রাখা।
Ekdam, absolutely. They go on sweating, at the same time they go on gulping this lal mas. You know, this
একদিকে
is their-
ঘামছে গরমে আর একদিকে
আর খাচ্ছে।
প্রচন্ড ঝাল।
Yes. And then they love it, you know. Because I was in Jaipur, I will start making that. Then I will tell you about the story. What is my experience all about?
লেটস স্টার্ট।
Yeah. To make lal mas, I have all these ingredients here. Where red chili, Kashmiri chili, coriander whole, and ginger garlic paste, turmeric, garam masala, coriander, and
Chopped onion.
sliced onion, and the meat. To start with, what we have to do is we have to soak all this in water. Some chili, maybe all the chilies
কেন
here.
মানে এটা
all
জলে
this here.
ভেজাতে হয়
হ্যাঁ,
কেন?
জলে ভেজে, if you soak it in the water, it becomes soft, and then it is easier to make into a paste in the grinding. And then the whole Kashmiri chili and some coriander. So you have to soak this in water, say for at least half an hour. Half an hour, soak it nicely. Soak it nicely, and then after half an hour, when all this chili and the coriander becomes soft, you make it into a paste, grinding paste. So I will take this to the kitchen and see that I make it into a paste and then get it back.
Sure. একটু আগে আমরা দেখলাম যে গোটা ধনে, কাশ্মীরি লঙ্কা আর শুকনো লঙ্কা, এই তিনটে রান্নাঘরে গিয়েছিল পেস্ট হতে। দেখি পেস্টটা রেডি হলো কিনা।
হ্যাঁ, ওটা পেস্ট হয়ে এই চলে এসেছে। ইট ইজ কাম টু মি। দিস ইজ হাউ দ্য পেস্ট লুকস, ভেরি হট অ্যান্ড ভেরি স্পাইসি। অ্যালং উইথ দিস I have to add this garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, whole lot of yogurt. This is for the marination of
কতটা
the meat.
পরিমাণ লাগে মানে?
Around 1 cup of this goes into the paste, and fold the paste into the yogurt nicely, and see that it becomes a very smooth paste. And this paste is to marinate the meat into that. This meat will go into the
পেস্ট।
paste. The procedure here has to be followed very nicely. To make this dish, there is step. First you soak the spices, make into a paste, and then add garlic paste, turmeric into that, and then soak the meat into that, and soak it nicely.
And how long we
fold
have to
it.
marinate
And
this?
and this will you have to marinate for at least 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. This is the best part. And this is how it is marinated, and we will keep this
For
at
1
least
hour.
for 1 hour for the marination.
Okay.
We will start making the other part, the sauce of the. To make the sauce, we will take 6 teaspoon of oil. You can take any
This is olive oil
refined. No, not olive oil. It has to be plain refined oil or canola oil or any oil you prefer, but not mustard oil or olive oil. And once it is heated up, we will put a lot of onion slice, and then we will stir fry this. I was in Rajasthan a few months back, and the best part is, see, even though the city is called Pink City,
Jaipur.
but I feel the city is very colorful. It's not only pink; it is
আর
got
আজকে আমরাও
all the
খুব
colors.
ফর্চুনেটলি
Yeah,
কালারফুল ড্রেস
we
পরে
are
আছি,
here.
আপনি রেড
Yeah.
আমি পিঙ্ক।
Yeah. So I think the Rajasthan is not only pink; it has got all the colors.
ওখানকার লোকজনের
Flavors.
ফুড হ্যাবিটসটা কিরকম?
See, there are two different categories of people are there. The old Maharajas, they used to have a lot of meat.
ওকে,
Maharajas, they love meat. But then the another section, they are totally vegetarian. Totally vegetarian. They don't.
মানে দু
separate.
ধরনের লোক দেখা যায়,
Yeah.
যারা শুধুমাত্র মাংস খেতে পছন্দ করে আর একদল আছে যারা শুধু ভেজিটেরিয়ান।
Vegetarian. Yeah. And those who take mutton or lamb or chicken, they take only that. They are not vegetarian at all. And for them, this is the right dish, lal mas. Lal mas is regular for them. Without lal
For the
mas, they
Maharajas.
cannot. And they have this with misi roti, bajre ka roti. A few Rajasthani rotis are there, which is very famous. Maybe in my next episode, I'll show all this
Sure.
how to make. And
আমরা ওয়েট করে থাকবো
Yeah.
সেই
so once this
স্পেশাল ডিশের জন্য।
Yes, absolutely. So when this is getting little sauteed and little brown, they are so enthusiastic. You just can't imagine, because everywhere they welcome you so nicely, you see. And along with the richness of them, the food also is very rich and very delicious. That you
মহারাজাস
get
যারা
really
ওখানে
touched.
রয়েছে তাদের কালচারটাও
Totally different.
Vishnu.
Totally different. Yeah. And without if you go to their houses without having anything, they will not let you go out of their houses. And this
দেখতেই
is the
পাচ্ছেন
time.
আপনারা যে
Yeah.
পেঁয়াজটা ভাজা হয়ে ব্রাউন হয়ে
Brown,
গিয়েছে।
Yes, yes.
আই থিঙ্ক দিস ইজ রেডি।
Yeah, this is getting ready. So once this is ready, what we will do? We will bring that lamb which has been marinated, and we will put it in the sauce. Right. And this has to simmer in a very low heat,
ওকে,
because this has to get already. This has been marinated. It will get cooked because
লো হিট না দিলে এটা পুড়ে যাবে।
Yeah, meat takes a lot of time to cook, but this is marinated for 1 hour, and yogurt is the tenderizer actually. See, when you marinate any meat, you have to see that you put some tenderizer. Papaya is very good for tenderizer, but here yogurt is being used to get the meat
তার
soft.
মানে আমরা যদি দই ইউজ করি তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা কি পেঁপেটা ইউজ
No,
করছি না?
not necessarily. Yogurt is the tenderizer here. You can see the color. Lal mas. Lal means red. Mas is the meat. And you can see the color because of the chili. Both the chilies, Kashmiri and the red chili, it has become little pinkish and red in color. And now this has to simmer, and you have to finish off with little coriander and then garam masala. I have made this specially for the Bengalis because Bengalis love meat. Because they love meat, I think this will be one of their favorite dishes, and they will love it.
মাংসটা অনেকটাই রেডি হয়ে
Yeah,
এসেছে।
almost it's getting ready. I have to add little stock,
স্টক।
lamb stock. Yeah, little lamb stock. Then salt. This is the final touch.
হ্যাঁ, সল্ট তো দিতেই
Little
হবে।
salt, and then whole garam masala. And then simmer it again. The sauce will be neither liquidy nor very thick. It will be medium. I'll add some coriander.
তো যেহেতু এটা বাঙালিদের প্রোগ্রাম, বাঙালিরা দেখছে, তো এটা কি ভাত দিয়ে খাওয়া যেতে পারে?
Definitely. এটার জন্যই দেখানো, that is the main purpose of.
মানে আপনি শুনলেন
Showing.
এটা শুধুমাত্র রুটি নয়, এটা কিন্তু আপনি ভাত দিয়েও ট্রাই করতে
even
পারেন।
though it is for a dish of Rajasthan, lal mas, but Bengalis really love it. And you should try this, and you will definitely love this and enjoy with all your family members. I think this lamb is ready. It is soft and very tender. And
ভালো
we are going
গন্ধ
to,
আসছে।
yeah. This is ready, and we'll put off the oven and now present it here.
তো আপনারা দেখলেন যে এই লাল মাছ আজকে আমাদের স্পেশাল রাজস্থানি ডিশ কিন্তু রেডি হয়ে গেছে। ডিশটা সার্ভ করার পর যদি আরও একবার আমাদের দর্শকদের জন্য আপনি একটু বলে দেন যে কি কি ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্টস আপনি ইউজ করলেন,
Yes, yes, definitely.
সেটা যদি আরেকবার আপনি দর্শকদের জন্য রিপিট করে দেন।
Definitely. This is the lal mas,
আওয়ার স্পেশাল ডিশ
our special Rajasthani lal mas. And to make this dish, please listen to me very carefully. Very simple. What you have to do is you have to take 2 chilies, chili and the Kashmiri chili and the whole coriander. You have to soak that in water for half an hour and then make it into a paste. After that, you add into that paste coriander powder and garlic paste and yogurt. Mix it together for a smooth paste. Add meat into that and keep for marination for 1 hour. Then you start cooking. You take little oil and the onion slices, saute it into brown and put this lamb into that and simmer. Add the stock, simmer it for some time, finish off with salt and garam masala. And then for the final touch,
ওপর থেকে একটু
just put
ধনে
some
পাতা।
coriander leaves for the garnish. And this is where the lal
লাল
mas
মাছ ইজ
goes.
রেডি।
Lal mas is ready. Please enjoy the Rajasthani dish with all your family members. Whatever you prefer with, I think steamed rice will be the better choice. Go ahead, enjoy.